The real top-ranking result for a competitive query is often shorter than you'd think. Let's look at the actual data. Google ranks based on real relevance and usefulness, not on hitting a specific word count. Real top-ranking pages for the exact same query can vary from a few hundred to several thousand words. Matching real search intent length matters more than padding a page to look comprehensive, and genuinely covering the right subtopics beats hitting an arbitrary word target every time. This real query wants a quick, direct answer. A genuinely short, focused page can rank well here. This real top-ranking page for that exact query is genuinely short, because that's what actually satisfies the searcher. This real query signals someone wants depth. A genuinely short page likely can't compete for it. This real top-ranking page for this query is long, because comprehensive depth is genuinely what the searcher wants here. The actual lesson: match the real length to what the specific query genuinely needs, not a fixed number. For a genuinely competitive query, a page that barely covers the topic usually can't outrank a thorough one. Covering the actual subtopics a searcher cares about matters more than the raw word count used to cover them. A padded, repetitive page genuinely reads worse to both visitors and Google than a focused, shorter one. A focused, well-written page like this one will consistently outrank a padded, longer page covering the same ground. Next, the internal linking tricks that are genuinely free ranking power.